In this video, I'll be showing you how to replace your center engine splash shield on a Nissan Sentra. It is located on the underside of the vehicle. Let's get started. First, we're going to want to raise and support the front portion of the vehicle. Then we're going to make our way towards the middle and locate our splash shield. As you can see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts and 1, 2, 3, 4 plastic clips. I'll be removing the bolts first using a 10mm. Now I'm going to remove the 4 clips. I'm going to use the pry tool. I'm going to slowly lower the splash shield and move on to the other side. Now we have our new splash shield, we're going to reinstall our bolts. I want to snug these down. Now we're going to move on to our 4 clips. Push down to make sure they're secure. That completes our install. We're going to lower the vehicle and take it for a road test. Thank you for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.